How to close Scotiabank account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can close your Scotiabank account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to close your Scotiabank account, let's say that you no longer want to own this bank account, you want to delete your bank account. First of all, make sure that you withdraw all of the funds that are inside of your bank account, because once you delete them you will not be able to get your funds back. So make sure you withdraw your funds, and after you do that, one thing you have to understand is that you cannot delete the bank account yourself. You don't have the permission to delete your bank account yourself, even if it is your own account. So if I just go ahead and search over here as to how we can delete it, you can see a certain search result over here. Right over here it says that there is only one way to close a Scotiabank account, and that is by simply visiting a local branch or Scotiabank branch in this case. So they don't allow its client to close bank accounts over the phone or online. So it doesn't even work by phone or customer service. You have to take your legal details with you, go to the bank which is the nearest branch near you, and then after that they will delete the account for you. So I hope this video helped you understand the question. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.